Alright, picture this. You, stretched out on a comfy couch, popcorn in hand, daydreaming about your future self, just a little bit richer, a little more relaxed, maybe even planning that dream vacation or new home. What if I told you that the journey to that future could start with just a few smart stock picks? Today, I'm kicking off a claymation adventure. Yep, think stop motion with a twist, where I'll walk you through 5 US stocks that have the potential to seriously boost your wealth over time. We're not just talking about quick wins, but companies that could help you build lasting riches. Ready to dive in? Let's roll. First up, let's talk about Apple. I know, everyone talks about Apple, but hear me out. It's not just about iPhones and MacBooks anymore. Apple has become a lifestyle brand, woven into the fabric of our daily lives. Apple's ecosystem is like this sticky web. Once you're in for life. Services like iCloud, Apple Music, and the App Store keep people spending, and that steady cash flow just keeps growing. Plus, Apple's loaded with cash, so every time the market dips, they just buy back more shares, making each share you own even more valuable. That's a powerful move for long-term investors. I see Apple as the golden goose that keeps on laying, innovating, expanding, and rewarding its loyal shareholders year after year. Next, we're clay jumping to Microsoft, another tech titan that's quietly become a backbone of the modern world. This company is everywhere. Your work computer, cloud storage, even gaming with Xbox. Microsoft's products are essential for businesses and individuals alike. The real magic? Azure, their cloud platform. It's growing at lightning speed, and businesses are basically glued to it for their digital needs. Cloud computing is the future, and Microsoft is right at the center. Microsoft's also crazy consistent with dividends, so if you like getting paid while you wait for your investment to grow, this one's for you. Now let's talk about stock number 3, Nvidia. AI is the hottest thing since sliced bread, and who's making the chips that power it? Nvidia. Their technology is at the heart of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and so much more. From gaming graphics to self-driving cars to massive data centers, Nvidia is the engine driving the next wave of innovation. Their chips are everywhere and demand just keeps rising. The wild part? Nvidia keeps out-innovating everyone else. That's why their stock's been on a rocket, and why so many investors are excited about their future. Let's slide over to Amazon, a company that's changed the way we shop, work, and even think about convenience. It's more than just getting packages at your door in record time. Amazon is a tech giant with its hands in almost everything. Amazon's cloud business, AWS, is a cash machine, powering apps and businesses all around the world. It's the hidden engine behind much of the internet. Plus, they keep expanding. Healthcare, groceries, even space. Amazon's ambition knows no bounds, and they're always looking for the next big thing. If you believe in the future, Amazon is building it brick by digital brick, shaping how we live and work. Last but not least, let's talk about Tesla, the company that's redefining what cars and companies can be. Yeah, it's a roller coaster, but Tesla's not just a car company. It's a force for change in energy, transportation, and technology. They're pushing solar energy, battery tech, and even robots. Tesla's reach goes far beyond electric vehicles, and their innovations could change entire industries. Elon Musk's vision is wild, but the company keeps surprising people with what's possible. From self-driving cars to space travel, Tesla is always pushing boundaries. If you've got a stomach for swings, Tesla could be a jackpot. It's risky, but the potential rewards are huge if you believe in their mission. Look, none of these stocks are a sure thing. There's always risk, and nobody's got a crystal ball. Investing is about balancing risk and reward, and making choices that fit your goals. But these 5, they're shaping the future in ways that could change your portfolio, and maybe even your life. They're leaders in innovation, technology, and growth, and they just might help you reach that richer, more comfortable future you've been dreaming about. If you want more claymation journeys like this, hit subscribe and let me know which stock you'd clay animate next. Until next time, invest smart, stay curious, and keep building your own adventure, one smart choice at a time.